Malob Akab, Titula Klesh. Good night to everyone. So tonight we'll be speaking of another legend between the Yucatec Maya people of Belize. This legend might not be known to other Belizeans, but those Belizeans of Yucatec Maya descent have surely heard this legend between their grandparents. And this legend is of the Tzukant, also known as El Dueño del Agua, La Guardiana del Agua, Lord of the water, owner of the water, guardian of the water. Now, this is a spirit that is described having the shape of a snake. So it's a huge snake. The head of the snake is about the size of a horse. So it's a massive snake. Some people say that the snake have wings and can fly. Now, these snakes are mostly found in the bodies of water. While our Maya brothers and sisters in the states of Campeche, Quintana Roo, and Yucatan say that the Tzukant is found in cenotes. But here in northern Belize, our grandparents said that El Dueño del Agua is mostly found in rivers, swamps, and the Nookum, which is the Maya name for the Rio Hondo, is one of them. So I will share two short stories that I heard when I was growing up. One of them is of two guys that went to do contraband in the Rio Hondo. So they went to the other side, the Mexican side, and as they were coming back, they were getting close to the Belizean side. They say that something hit the boat that make the boat flip around. They drop on the water, they swim to the side, and as they were getting out of the water, they saw this huge snake in the water, massive snake. After a while, the snake simply disappeared. Another legend I heard was of a man that was going from San Pablo to Douglas. And in those days, he described that the roads did not look as how they are now. They were very small, bushy. But as he went with his jeep to get his wife, as he was coming back, he noticed that there was something blocking the road. As he came down, trying to figure out how he can move this log or this tree, he saw that it started to move. Then he noticed that it was a huge snake with wings. So these are only two of the many legends I heard when I was growing up. In another video, I will speak about the origins of the Tzukant. There are more Christianized versions of this legend that people might share. I heard one that they say that when the snake gets too big, God sends a thunder to kill it. Thunder is linked with the Tzukant and also with Yum Chak, which is the Lord of Rain. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. For the second part, we'll speak of the origins of the Tzukant. Yum Botek.